Disclaimer: this story combines real-world developments, public reports, research findings, and the author's interpretation of current AI trends in healthcare. While every effort has been made to present information believed to be accurate as of today, some details may be incomplete, simplified, evolving, speculative, or subject to change over time. Portions of the narration may also reflect opinion, interpretation, or future projections rather than universally accepted facts. This content should be viewed as a general educational and thought-provoking discussion, not as medical advice, professional guidance, definitive truth, or the only valid perspective on how AI is impacting medicine. Readers are encouraged to consult original sources, medical professionals, researchers, and multiple viewpoints when forming conclusions about AI and healthcare. The future of medicine is no longer science fiction. It is already unfolding inside hospitals, clinics, imaging centers, and operating rooms around the world. As of the year 2026, artificial intelligence is not replacing doctors outright. But it is already changing how lots of physicians work, think, diagnose, document, and interact with patients. And depending on the medical specialty, the impact looks very different. As of the beginning of 2026, this is the story of how AI is transforming medicine specialty by specialty, using real-world examples, real hospitals, real physicians, and real studies happening today. Radiology, the first specialty AI touched. Nearly a decade ago, some technology leaders predicted radiologists might disappear because AI could analyze medical images faster than humans. That prediction never happened. Instead, radiology became one of the clearest examples of AI becoming a physician's assistant rather than a replacement. Today, hospitals across the United States already use FDA-approved AI tools to help detect strokes, breast cancer, lung nodules, fractures, and internal bleeding faster than before. According to reports, more than 340 AI tools have now been approved for radiology-related use. At Northwestern Medicine, researchers deployed a generative AI system across a 12-hospital network to help radiologists draft reports from X-rays in real clinical workflows. The results were dramatic. The study reported radiologist productivity improvements of up to 40% without reducing diagnostic accuracy. But even as AI accelerates imaging analysis, radiologists remain essential. The technology still makes mistakes, false positives still happen, rare diseases can still confuse algorithms, and legally the responsibility still belongs to the human physician, not the machine. That is why many radiologists now describe AI less as a replacement and more as a co-pilot. Family medicine, the rise of the AI scribe. Perhaps no specialty feels AI more personally today than primary care. For years, physicians complained that electronic medical records stole time away from patients. Many doctors spent evenings finishing documentation after clinic hours ended. Then came the AI medical scribe. At UCLA Health, researchers studied AI-powered documentation tools, including Microsoft DAX and Nabla, across 238 physicians and 72,000 patient encounters. The findings suggested measurable reductions in documentation time and improvements in physician well-being. At Stanford Healthcare, physicians began using AI systems that automatically listen during appointments and generate structured medical notes in the background. One physician described the experience this way. Instead of staring at a screen and typing constantly, doctors could finally sit face-to-face with patients again and simply listen. Health systems, including Mass General Brigham, Emory Healthcare, and Kaiser Permanente, are already deploying ambient AI scribes to reduce burnout and administrative overload. But the transition has not been perfect. Some physicians report that AI-generated notes still require heavy editing. Others worry about hallucinations, inaccuracies, privacy concerns, or patients feeling uncomfortable being recorded. Even so, many doctors believe AI scribes may become as common in clinics as electronic medical records are today.